Hello students, I am Suman V. Muni, Department of English, Guest Faculty, Degree College, Jagannathpur, Kolhan University, Chayosa. Today I am going to discuss about one of the famous poem Hunger by Jayant Mahapatra. It is in your DSc course 5th semester. A short description about Jayant Mahapatra. Jayant Mahapatra, born into a prominent Odia Christian family on 22nd October 1928. After completing his MSc Physics from Patna University, he began his teaching career as a lecturer in physics in 1949. He is the first Indian poet to win Sahitya Academy Award for English Poetry in the year 1981 for the poem Relationship. His poem Hunger is regarded as classics in modern English literature. Jayant Mahapatra awarded Padma Shri, the fourth civilian honor in India, in the year 2009. Stanza 1. The poet begins, "It was hard to believe the flesh was heavy on my back." It refers to something that is deep and profound. He could not believe that he had strong sexual desires at that time and was striving for sex, which he could not believe. In the next line, we come to know that he is on a boat with a fisherman who says to him, "Will you have her?" Her here refers to the daughter of the fisherman, whom he offers to the poet to have sex with her. Fisherman seems to be carelessly trailing his nets. His nerves were stretched and white bone thrashing his eyes. He and his daughter have nothing to eat and are striving for food. Stanza 2. The poet then followed him across the sprawling spread sands. His mind was thumping in the flesh's sling. Means the poet's mind was throbbing and his skin was trying to support it like a sling or the bandage used for supporting a broken arm. The poet thought his sin will be forgiven by burning the houses. The poet was feeling guilty because of sexual desire. The fisherman looked at his old nets, which had caught nothing but the foam from the sea. The poet imagines that he gathered nothing but sin by his sexual desire. Stanza 3. Fisherman's hut quite dark and open like a wound. It depicts worst condition of hut because of poverty. Wind symbolized storm. Days and night means it is happening all the time without stopping. While entering the hut, the leaves of the palm tree scratching his skin. It is used here in metaphorical sense. They were stopping the poet to committing sin. The oil lamp had confined and fastened the hours to the wall. Smoke coming from lamp symbolizes either dreamy or helpless. Stanza 4. The poet hears the fisherman is saying, 15 is the age when a girl is at her charm. Fill her means quench your sexual hunger. The poverty and extreme hunger make the fisherman pimps his own daughter in exchange for some money or food. I will be back means the poet is now free to do with his daughter whatever he desires. The poet feels as if the sky has fallen on him. The poet finds the girl is totally malnutritioned due to poverty, and she is very weak and young to become a sex slave. That's all from my side. Thank you.